All right, hey, here's a quick video on JB Weld. I had a bit of an issue with my headlight, and I will add a link to that at the bottom or toward the end of this video. After talking to a few of my friends about a recommendation in terms of how to heal some of the bent plastic, some of it was bent, some of it was broken, JB Weld was recommended, hands down. And you can get this at Home Depot, $6. Pretty simple to use. I actually used the container that it came in, and what you do, you squeeze out just enough that you need for the weld itself. I used it on plastic, so I just needed a little bit, and you do a little bit of the red, a little bit of the black, mix it together. It's gonna come out kind of a dark gray area, and then you apply it on the surface that actually needs to be healed and bent and glued. In this case, it's the headlight assembly. It wasn't sticking quite well. It didn't seem like it was holding right away like a real glue was. So I've added a little bit more on over the top. It doesn't look very pretty, but the cure time is pretty long, so I'm gonna give it sets looks like in 4 to 6 hours, and then the cure time is 24 hours. And it is pretty cold outside, so I'm gonna give it a full day. Give it a check tomorrow. Hopefully, it has had a chance to weld well, and that's all there is to it. I'll let you know if there are any issues with the weld, but that's all in terms of getting the JB Weld, mixing it, and applying.